Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and I'm excited for this one because I want to show you how you can actually create native ads images for your native advertisements. Yes, so to the first section of the video, we are going to go into do some research and actually look at some examples of native ads. And this is very important because if you don't have a good image for your native ads, or you don't have like catchy images who makes the one reading your or viewing your ad interested in you, you won't be getting any return of investment. First, obviously you won't be getting any clicks to your landing page. And if you don't get clicks to your landing page, or to your or to the offer that you're promoting, or to anything that you're promoting on native advertising, then obviously there's no conversions, and with no conversions you cannot reinvest into native advertising. Yes, so it's pretty important, or I think this is the first thing that you should have set it up once you decide to create your native advertising campaign. Sorry. So obviously you should first do some research. Here, for example, this is well, this is not it's not a native ad. Yeah, it's an ad from Google, but this is an e-commerce product that also sells on native. Now I'm going to show you, but you need to have good images that makes the viewer, the one viewing the ad, be interested in viewing your ad and clicking. Yes, because if you don't create that interest, you won't be getting any clicks, and obviously the percentage of you getting sales or any type of action or desired action you want to make your customer make, obviously won't be happening. So let's look at some examples. Now, before we get into seeing the examples, first make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon so that you get more content like this. And also make sure to stay until the end, so that at the end of the video you are fully prepared to create your own native advertisements, and obviously improve your return of investment by making more catchy native ads. Yes, so let's get into the video. So guys, let's get into the video. So let's look at some examples of native ads. Here is the paid content. So if you didn't know, native ads it always appears like it appears like suggested articles. So if someone who doesn't know what native advertisement or native ads are, obviously they will see this and this, and they will think that these are this is integrated to the page, and this is articles that are inside the website itself, but it's not. Obviously the purpose of native advertisements is to make look the ads like suggested articles of the website. Yes, that they're to make them look like they are suggested articles in the website. Yes, so here we have 4 ads for native ads, and the native ad network is Outbrain. This is one of the best native ad networks there is out there, and I think Rev Content is like not better. I think Outbrain is better, but Rev Content is the following to Outbrain in my opinion. So let's look at the ads. So here, if we see the image, you see that this is a sustainable thermal. Well, for example, this is an example of a bad native ad, because people who view this image don't know what this is about. Yes, and obviously if they don't know what that is about, they will ignore it. But here it says, for example, top tip most computer owners don't know: do this today. And you can see that this image is great because it's like when you take a key from your keyboard on the laptop, it it looks like that. But not many people have taken their key from their laptop keyboard, so they will see this image and say, "Whoa, what's that?" And they like will the ad will generate intrigue in the viewer, and they will obviously click to know more about this, and obviously they also read the headline and they will be intrigued. Yes, so here it's obviously I can guarantee you this is an affiliate offer promoting an antivirus or some security system for your PC. Here it says it's an advertisement. When you're doing native ads, you should, if you then send the traffic to a landing page, you should say that it's an advertisement if you're going to sell something. Yes. So over 10 million people are using this today, protected online. Here's what you should know, and let's see what they are. Step 1: download your protection. So they do not have any link. So maybe because I have my ad blocker. Let me refresh the page. So yeah, that was because I have my ad blocker. So yes, here they are promoting an antivirus, and this is an affiliate offer. And as we can see, if we look closer on the link, maybe you can find the affiliate ID of the offer of the affiliate, but this is not the topic of the topic of the video. Yes, just wanted to make you first understand how native ads work. Yes, so this is how it works. So they are promoting this antivirus. Obviously this is traduced to Spanish because I'm from Argentina, as you can see here. So yeah, and actually these type of offers are not, these type of pages are not hard to make actually, but yeah, this is, as I said, does not come close to the topic that to the point that I want to make. But do you see how this works? Like, you have to put catchy images, so when someone goes to see more articles from these websites, because obviously when they finish an article on this website, they will scroll down and they will see this paid content, and here will be your ad. So you have like 5 seconds or 10 seconds to catch the viewers the viewers attention, yes, to click on your ad. So this is the ad, this is the type of ad you should, or image you should aim for. Yes. So where do you find these images? First, obviously, let me explain you how you can adjust the size of these images. You just have to go to canva.com. Yes. And what you do is you'll type on large rectangle ad. Yes, because Taboola, Outbrain, Rev Content, which are all native networks, they do not accept certain width of images. So you need to respect the recommended width, and this is the recommended width. Yes. So click on blank, and now the way that you should do your ad, yes, is you should find free stock photos. So if you're promoting, for example, an antivirus like this guy is doing, you have to aim your best at finding photos which captivate the viewer's attention on that topic. So if I'm promoting a weight loss offer, what I would do is I would search stock photos on weight loss, but that are not basic. Like, for example, this is the point that I want to make. Here on Canva, you have weight loss photos. Yes, for example, these are the generic stock weight loss photos. This is the photos that I don't want you to use. Yes, you could use before and afters. For example, this photo would be great for a native advertisement. I don't know if they they still allow this type of photos on the majority of native ad networks, but I remember back in the day, like in 2015, the many people who promoted weight loss offers did this, the before and after, and they worked wonders on native advertisements. But you should find stock photos that captivate the viewer's attention. Yes. One good example, and this is like I learned this from Robbie Blanchard, who is an affiliate marketer who promotes ClickBank products through Facebook. So what he did here, for example, this here I found the gig. So he said to go that you should go to Fiverr and you should find like these creators or these designers who make this type of photos, like for example this one, or for example this one. This would be a great native advertisement because you don't know what's going on in this picture. Like you're generating intrigue, you're generating confusion to the viewer, and by generating confusion you're generating interest, and by generating interest you are going to captivate the interest of the one reviewing your ad, and they will going to click. Probably there will be a higher percentage that they will click your ad instead of not clicking, because here you see like a hand with eyes, and then like a woman putting the eyes on its back. Yes, and or maybe the title of your native ad could be like something like, these eyes, you won't believe what these eyes does to your fat. And obviously someone who views this image would say like, what can eyes melt my fat? So like this type of images, yes, for example, like the images that that makes the viewer like don't understand what's going on, but at the same time like they could make sense with the title of the ad, then those are the good images and the best images for native ads. Yes, hope I don't confuse you, because maybe you'll be confused. I at first was confused, but just find like, for example, illustrations. Just search for illustration for Facebook ads. So this is a technique I learned from Robbie Blanchard. These are the exact Facebook ads that the exact images I want you to use. For example, this one. What is going on in this image? First, there is a girl knocked down on the floor. Then it's like some blood, and here, then there's eggs, and there's a woman drinking a juice. Like, what's going on? Like, someone viewing this on native I can assure that they won't understand what's going on. Yes, so that should be your main goal with your native ad images. So then, just when you have your image, just bring it to this recommended with, download it, and then create your campaign for native. Yes, so guys, hope you like this video. If you have any questions, leave them on the comment section below. Obviously hit that like button, and guys, I will be seeing you till next video.